तो चलिए आप फोकस करते हैं HDFC लाइफ। इनके नंबर्स आए हैं। नेट प्रॉफिट हैज जंप 12% एट 357 करोड़। VNB मार्जिन्स की बात करें तो 29.3% आए हैं। इनफैक्ट ये क्वार्टर अच्छा माना जा रहा है। कंपनी ने बढ़िया प्रदर्शन दिखाया है, लेकिन और भी अच्छे से समझेंगे इन नंबर्स को और आगे क्या है बिजनेस आउटलुक। मेरे साथ इस वक्त कंपनी के टॉप मैनेजमेंट मिस विभा पडलकर, MD एंड CEO एट HDFC लाइफ इंश्योरेंस जुड़ रही है। मैम, बहुत बहुत स्वागत है आपका। शुक्रिया हमें समय देने के लिए। सबसे पहले आप कैसे समराइज करेंगे इस क्वार्टर को? प्रॉफिट और नेट प्रीमियम इनकम जो हमारे एस्टिमेट से थोड़ा सा कम था, बट ओवरऑल नंबर्स आर लुकिंग पॉजिटिव एंड हेल्दी। क्या कहेंगे इस क्वार्टर के नंबर्स के बारे में?
we're fairly happy with this quarter क्योंकि पहले दो जो क्वार्टर्स थे वो तो पैंडेमिक में ही चला गया, and that was also resulting in a lot of COVID claims. COVID claims काफी elevated थे, सिर्फ HDFC लाइफ के लिए नहीं, but overall for the sector also. तो that is now behind us. हमने जो रिजर्व सेटअप किया था for COVID, that was enough, and we are very happy and relieved that that was enough for us. और एक चीज है कि we are able to carry forward 55 crores of reserves that we have not utilized in case अगर there's something or the other that happens because of COVID, then that also is there in the back pocket.
Cushion और comfort है जी.
Absolutely. And also if you were to look at our new business on a 2-year CAGR basis, क्योंकि base effect था pandemic की वजह से, so that also has been in the range of about 20 to 22% depending on which number you see. Persistency was also fairly healthy and continued to hold up very well at about 87% on the 13-month persistency. अगर आप product mix को देखेंगे, that was also very much in line with our stated product mix. Similarly, हमारे सारे channels जो है, including proprietary channel, agency channel, and so on, that also did fairly well. Okay. Credit life also grew very well at about 26%. तो overall आप अगर देखेंगे तो it was a satisfying quarter.
Okay, satisfying quarter ऐसे define करिए आप. Sense of performance अगर हम देखें different segments, WRP, bank assurance, protection, etc. कैसे each of these segments को summarize करेंगे?
Yeah, so if you were to look at WRP, it was in the range of about 6%. That looks a little bit low. लेकिन आप अगर 2-year CAGR देखेंगे तो that was about 22%. And it is important क्योंकि last year, in Q4 of last year, we grew about 40%. तो base effect था, अगर आप base effect even कर लेंगे तो that grew about 22%. So that was fairly healthy. If you were to look at our ranking in amongst the top 3, including LIC, we continued to hold our ranking. और ये एकदम महत्वपूर्ण चीज है because if I dropped my ranking and I showed higher new business margins, वो बड़ी बात नहीं होती है, but to hold on to your market share, hold on to your ranking, as well as show the growth, that becomes a lot more difficult, and हम वो कर पाए हैं in this quarter.
Okay.
Yeah. No, I was just going to say that even in terms of our assets under management, it was in this quarter wherein we had a milestone. We crossed 2 lakh crores in terms of assets under management.
Okay, AUM भी यहाँ पर एक माइलस्टोन आपने अचीव की. आपने VNB की बात की और वैल्यू न्यू बिजनेस मार्जिन इस क्वार्टर में बढ़ के आया है 29.3%, जैसा मैंने कहा. आगे किस तरीके का आउटलुक लग रहा है? क्या ये मेंटेन हो पाएगा मैम?
So if you were to look at full year basis में हमने margin expansion देखी है from 26.1% to 27.4%. You will see expansion in margin in the medium term. एक हाथ क्वार्टर इधर उधर, स्पेशली द Q4 टेंड्स टू बी गुड क्योंकि द सीजनैलिटी होती है बिजनेस में, बट in the medium term, over the next say 4 years, we should inch up closer to 30%.
Okay, sure. So margins medium term में बेहतर होंगे यहाँ से आपके लिए. कोविड केसेस कम हो रहे हैं जैसा हमने देखा, और उसका ऑफ कोर्स बिजनेस पर एक अच्छा असर इन मेनी वेज दिख ही रहा है. आगे क्या आउटलुक है मैम? अभी जो थोड़ी सी वेव्स वापस कहने आ रही है, उसको आप कितने कॉशियसली मॉनिटर कर रहे हैं?
बहुत ही क्लोजली मॉनिटर कर रहे हैं अभी तक, गिवन दैट वी आर क्लोज टू अ मंथ इनटू द न्यू ईयर. ऐसे नहीं लग रहा है कि द एलिवेटेड लेवल्स ऑफ कोविड क्लेम्स आर पैनिंग आउट. लेकिन हम cautious बने रहे हैं, इसलिए हम वो 55 crores का जो excess reserves है, we haven't reversed it just for this reason. But hopefully it will be closer to Omicron. अगर unfortunately we get into one more wave, hopefully it will be closer to Omicron than to the Delta variant. अगर वो हो तो at least the claims, infections हो सकते हैं, लेकिन COVID claims will not pan out like they did in the Delta variant.
Okay, that's right, ma'am.
There was also one other point I wanted to mention here. Ki it has been about 4 years since our IPO in FY18. So FY18 to, if you look FY22, 4 साल में we have consistently at least doubled every metric. अगर आप new business देखोगे और renewal premium or embedded value, value of new business, assets under management, every metric we have doubled in 4 years.
श्योर मैम. क्विक सवाल आपसे, क्या कंपनी ने कोई प्राइस हाइक लिया है प्रीमियम में, और क्या आप आगे आने वाले समय में लेंगे, स्पेशली इन टर्म इंश्योरेंस? कोई प्रेशर देख रहे हैं फ्रॉम री इंश्योरेंस कंपनीज फॉर प्राइस हाइक्स?
When we closed Q3, तभी हमने कहा था कि we have taken a 15 to 25% price hike. उसके बाद we are not contemplating any further price hike into the foreseeable future अभी के लिए.
Okay, so already price hike हो चुके हैं. Fund raising के क्या plans है, and what will the funds be raised for?
तो अभी हमारा solvency है 176%. हमने एक acquisition भी की है in terms of Exide Life acquisition. That has a cash component in terms of payout. Mostly the deal is in terms of a share swap or rather shares issue. लेकिन एक cash component है of 726 crores, which has resulted in a expected fall in solvency of 13%. तो इसलिए हम we are raising sub debt. We've got board approval to raise about 350 crores of sub debt.
Okay, so that approval is in. Quickly ma'am, एक जानना चाहेंगे update. Of course आपने Exide merger की बात की, वो उनके timelines क्या है to get it actually completed? Product launch pipeline भी कैसी दिख रही है, उस पर भी जरा बता देंगे.
So we are very happy कि काफी अच्छी तरह से progress हो रहा है in terms of we got our CCI approval, and just a week back we got our approval to from the exchanges. तो हमने NCLT में filing कर दी है. तो hopefully in a quarter's time this should be through. And we should be able to merge the entities. So जब भी वो होगा तभी we will be able to truly integrate both teams into one and be able to both grow their business. हमने जो reason जो वजह थी in terms of why did we acquire the company, that will start panning out in terms of better penetration into tier 2 and 3, offering of HDFC Life products to Exide Life customers. वो सब चीजें हो सकेंगी once we get the final NCLT approval.
Product launch pipeline, ma'am, क्या interesting
it's very robust. We have interesting products. We launched our Sanchay Fixed Maturity Plan. So that is doing very well in almost about 1,000 crores जो इकट्ठा किया है हमने. Also retirement product, systematic retirement plan, that also is doing very well. It is a regular pay deferred annuity product. और एक दो भी है in the pipeline, which hopefully we will get approval soon.
Okay, Ms. Padalkar, last सवाल आपसे जानना चाहेंगे. आपकी press release में कुछ बहुत interesting मैंने देखा. आप कह रहे हैं कि you are focusing on building a women financial consultant model, which you believe will give you higher activation, retention and productivity. थोड़ा सा इसको elaborate करेंगे मैम?
So ये है कि we are finding more and more women जो पढ़ी लिखी महिलाएं हैं, but they're sitting at home for whatever various reasons. They want to operate out of home largely. Office में भी आती हैं कभी-कभी, but largely from home. तो उनका जो friends, family, social media circles हैं, they are able to sell. We are able to train them very well. उनका जो output है, productivity है, persistency ratio है, mis-sale complaints are low, fraudulent cases are low. They're trending very well. Quality of business बहुत अच्छा है. And also like with women otherwise also they tend to stay around with a company for a lot longer. So it's almost a win-win in every situation. तो हमने सोचा कि why don't we invest in this, why don't we create a separate business model for how do we engage with women and how do we look at them slightly differently, be more flexible ताकि they can work in the hours that are meaningful to them.
Sure.
but talent is very good.
Okay, all right. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद आपका हमसे जुड़ने के लिए, हमें बताने के लिए नंबर्स कैसे रहे और आगे किस तरीके का आउटलुक है. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Swati.